Hi, my name is Tomasz and you're watching Casual DIY channel. It's a bit of a vloggy type video today. Couple of updates about my channel. Check out the video. First of all, I want to say a massive thank you to all of you that left some comments and feedback on my video where I was putting the plastic conduit and installing the lights. Your feedback and your help was absolutely fantastic. So, bit of an update, if you haven't read the comments, I've actually put a separate wire, separate circuit for the lights only, so they are not connected to the sockets anymore, and they've got their own fuse. And on top of that, I've added a few junction boxes as well, just to make it easy to access the whole setup. And as you remember in my video, the wires were too short, so I had to connect them together with the fast connects. And I've actually put the whole connection in the conduit itself, but now it has got its own junction box as well on the side where the wood rag is, so that's all sorted as well. And the wiring for the lights is on 1.5mm wires, whereas the sockets are on 2.5mm. And not all the lights are connected in the garage, as I mentioned before. The lights in the middle, the 4 lights, they are actually connected on a totally different circuit that runs to the house, and the fuse is actually in the house. So yeah, the whole system got updated to how it should be in the beginning. But obviously, as I mentioned before, I'm not an electrician, but thanks to you guys, my garage is much safer and far better than it was before. So thank you very much for all the great feedback. Bit more good news as well. I actually managed to order some flooring for my workshop, which I don't know, I wasn't expecting that, I wasn't counting on it, but in the end I found something that was, let's say, reasonably priced, and it was available. 21 square meters is a fairly large area, and I have to say the quotes I was getting was absolutely ridiculous. But in the end I managed to get some industrial type tiles, PVC tiles that are actually made for, well, garages and all that, where they will withstand a lot of weight, like my wood rack over there, and obviously all the tools, all the tables, everything's on wheels, so that will help move things around my workshop, as I can imagine it will change and evolve over time. So I need some flooring that is suitable for that. But obviously all the details about flooring, that will be in a totally different video, when I'll show you exactly what I've got, how much I paid for it, and obviously how to lay it in my garage. I'm hoping the flooring will arrive within the next 2 weeks, so that's not too much of a wait. One thing I want to upgrade in my workshop as well, obviously the echo in this place is massive, and probably already noticed that on my videos. One thing I want to do to improve that is partially by insulating the garage doors. Obviously it's a normal electric garage door that fully extends in the middle of the garage. There is not much weight I can actually put on those doors. I've contacted the company that installs them basically, and they said I can put no more than 15 kilograms of additional weight on the whole panel. So what am I planning to use to insulate those garage doors and reduce the echo in here? Well, 2 things, to be absolutely honest with you. The first one will be that silver insulating foil that I've actually used on the garage doors in the UK, and that did a fairly good job. And I'm hoping for the same thing here, as it weighs next to nothing. But on top of that, I want to put some special foam that will reduce the amount of echo in this place and will hold off the noise coming, well, from outside, because the road is just a few meters away, and obviously coming from my garage out, so the neighbours won't report me to the local council for breaking the noise rules. So yes, that's the plan for insulating the garage doors. Watch this space. It should happen in the next few weeks. But what is my biggest challenge at the moment? Guess what? It's getting wood, getting lumber, getting sheets of materials, MDF, plywood and all that. The prices are absolutely horrendous. And despite of that, there isn't much material out there. I'm still looking for a decent timber yard in my local area. I'll be visiting a couple next week. But yeah, it's absolutely madness right now with trying to get anything like that. I'm probably guessing it's the same everywhere around the globe, really. But yeah, I wasn't expecting it's gonna be that bad. But yeah, all in all, I think the workshop is heading in the right direction. And the improvements are being made, and I'm hoping that you're gonna stick with my channel and see the end result that may come in a few months or even later than that. It all depends, as you know, a workshop like this is just an ongoing project, as you would probably know yourselves. But for today, guys, it was just a really quick update. Mainly, I wanted to say thank you to everybody that left me a comment with some really good feedback on the video with the electric bits and bobs. So yeah, that's it from me. Thank you very much. Take care.